Hello everyone, Tom from KJP, and I thought I'd take a quick look at the thins that we sell. Each of the thins comes in the same size, and that's 24 inches long, 3 inches wide and 1/4 of an inch thick. I have a range of thins in front of me here. In fact, we sell thins in virtually all of the species that we sell at KJP, and you can expect to receive a thin that is very characteristic of the species that you've chosen. So we carefully pick a piece that you're going to like, and also we want to avoid anything like cracks or knots in the wood, so that basically you're very happy with the thin that you receive. So these are great for, of course, so many different projects: box lids, any kinds of projects that require thin material that's already been dressed, so you don't have to dress the material yourself. It's already done for you. So please have a look through our thin section. Thank you for watching and enjoy your woodworking.